Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how to make a sweet semolina cake called besbousa. Bring a bowl and put 2 cups of coarse semolina, 1 stick of butter at room temperature. Mix together with your hands. Make sure the butter is mixed well with the semolina. Add 3/4 cup of sugar. Put 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it well. Add 2.5 cups of regular plain yogurt. Mix it with a spoon, but don't overdo it. Turn it inside out like I'm doing it. Bring a 12 by 9-inch pan, butter it, and pour the batter. Level it, shake the pan to take out the air bubbles. And now garnish it with almonds or pistachios. Put it in the oven 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes until it's golden brown. Now I want to show you how to make the syrup. Put 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of water. 2, 3. Mix it very well until the sugar dissolves in the water. Add half a lemon, and 2 tablespoons of blossom water. Mix it well. Put it on the stove on high. Oops, I forgot to put this saffron. This is optional. I like it because it gives the besbousa a nice color. Once it starts to boil, set your timer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn it off. I like to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it well and let it cool while the besbousa is cooking. Look, this is the consistency of the syrup. It's runny and not too thick. Once the besbousa is done, cut it into squares, then add your pooled syrup. Use 1.5 cup of syrup. You will have half cup left over. You can store it in the fridge and use it next time. When you take out the hot besbousa from the oven, make sure the syrup is at room temperature. If you add hot syrup to hot besbousa, it won't come out right. Let it rest for 15 to 30 minutes to absorb the syrup. Now, bon appetit! Enjoy! Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you know when I post my next recipe. Thank you!